It is a school which will never go to the radio that spends money to advertise its beauty.
Nok mai tika wacho mero fo on matara da joma ochungwe e school no nyogin mabe peki lero kere na le yam eto la woto logo ba.
I believe it is good if what we have done and when they go outside, it is the community that comes back to say thank you for what you have done.
Polkare daro mamegwa yigidugo ka wachane ko foyo ento gene pechara da foyo toka foyo ge.
So that is what we are.
Ene yegi no waro pedo.
So before also I go far, let me not forget of my fellow leaders, head teachers. If you know you are a head teacher of any school, please stand for recognition. Any head teacher of any school, because we have invited them.
Yes.
Please.
Paton seat.
Please. Papa.
Umiya seat.
Come.
Ubiyan na dit arway. Ko we kila dit eno.
Papa, come.
Yes. Nying tek gero hang. A teacher Paton seat, senior secondary school. A teacher Umiya seat, senior secondary school.
And they also have other head teachers.
The phone you mukane kadi primary kadi na sa shala wan gane. Ubiyan. Auntie teacher Miss School mo. Loni ma nyere nasare and primary school pede nyere la cho you
the reason why even my father is here. We teach when the children sit for their exam, we release the children to him. So I'm proud that he is here, and if he greets all the people and he welcomes the parents in secondary school in Patonsi, greeting and welcome them.
Thank you so much.
Yes, of course,
I want to recognize the presence of all the visitors here.
For
those who have come to celebrate the success of this school. Thank you very much, the teachers, for the work well done. Thank you, the visitors, to come and for having come to recognize this presence, celebrate this success. My name is Rutalemwa Charles Rwanga. I'm from the other side of the west.
And
I replace my brother Ren here, who was
yes.
And I'm happy he has just been posted to Omiya seat. I told him yesterday about his transfer.
He has been caretaking the school since 2020 after the retirement of Cosmas. Yeah. So I came to replace him. And I wish him success.
Yes,
in his new working station.
Yeah, come on, yeah.
So, I'm the new head teacher of Patong Seed, and Patong Seed is a government secondary school. These are unique schools. They call them seed schools because they are purely established by the NRM government. Fully fledged with all the facilities because they believe it is a seed that has to grow up. So they give it everything that needs to grow. They give it all the teachers. As I speak, I have 22 teachers. They have just given me 2 days. I showed it to Mr. Renyi. They have given me 3 more teachers. They have given me Swahili teacher. They have given me physics, math, and they have given me fine art teacher. These are new teachers, newly posted, whom I'm receiving tomorrow to give their notification of assumption of duty, and they begin teaching. So I want to inform the entire community that we are here to work together as brothers and sisters to enhance development in our place. So bring your children so that they enhance, rather they obtain and they improve and they grow academically, spiritually. Mr. Ren, my brother here, has been doing a lot in sports, that is something we have to cherish.
Mr. Ray Omio Keruna Owing Lokomto, Mamierwa 4N, Gibenwa.
He has been in touch with the PAORINHER, and I think they have been sending some students for bursaries, especially those who have been good in sports. I'm adding something on what Aringa has been doing. I'm giving bursaries to all the academic students. I want all the students who did first grade, we shall give them academic bursaries. So bring them. Tomorrow we are beginning to enroll. Bring all these children. We shall give them bursaries. So, the teacher Paulina, don't take all the children. I want all the children tomorrow. I will be in the office to receive them. So tomorrow, bring these children. We shall enroll them. So that they keep here. Why should you take children to Lira, to Alur, to Kampala, when we can make them here, improve them, help them to improve in the academics. Everything is in Patong Seed. If you come into the library, you cannot believe. There are some chemicals, some apparatus we have not even opened, we have not even touched. They are all there. Everything is there. So my dear parents, Patong Seed is there for you. And well, I've not been prepared to give a speech, but Mr. Headteacher, I want to give a small token of appreciation to the teachers. They do a lot of donkey work. So I'm just giving some 2 crates of soda. When you finish this function, sit together and look, do some reflections on how you can improve. So I don't know if I can have these 2 crates of soda.
Thank you.
Why don't I give you my brother Rain to say hi?
Thank you. Amor Dano Engba. I am really so happy for the invitations that have been given to me. My name is Arwin Dennis. I've been the caretaking editor at Patong Seed Secondary School for the last 3 years. At the same time, I deputized the former teacher, Mr. Douglas Okech, for 5 years. And I'm happy to inform you that officially the ministry have transferred me on promotion to Mia Nyema Seed to go and elevate the school the way I have done it in Patong. This is the message I was given from the ministry. So parents, the same trust you gave to me, I still need the student. And I'm sure tomorrow when I'm going, I will flock with them and move with them to Mia. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Please, is my fellow teacher in primary school, because of time I beg. Just say hi and the school.
Thank you, guys. My name is Chan Marino, teacher of Wanodwe Primary School, Morsab County, Agago District.
Thank you. I apologize. I thought it would not take long like this. At this juncture, it is good to tell this community the success of this school in academic. We started our school in 2005. So the first team that we call Pioneer that started in 2007 sat their PL in 2015. Now as they started, 33 of them from baby, they couldn't make it when they reached P7. There were only 20 that sat for PLA. Out of the 20, 7 of them got first grade and 13 passed in Division 2. In 2016, the second lot, out of 24, out of those who sat, 6 got first grade and 24 passed in second grade, to make a total of 30. You are seeing it was progressing. In the next, that was 2017, 9 got first grade and 27 passed in Division 2. I remember in 2017, PAORINHER started leading in PLE results. In 2018, with the effort that the teachers put, 34 passed in Division 1 and 12 passed in Division 2. It remained number 1 in Agago district that year again. In 2019, 23 passed in Division 1 and 31 passed in Division 2. The results started declining, but it still remained on top. In 2020, that was Corona time. We did sit in 2020. That year's exam was sat in 2021, but it is called 2020. The first grade dropped down to 18 and 23 in second grade. Still, PAORINHER remained on top in Agago district. In 2022, 28 passed in Division 1 and 24 passed in Division 2. That year, PAORINHER remained on top in Agago district. Last year, 2023, 29 candidates passed in Division 1 and 23 passed in Division 2. PAORINHER is still on top. My dear parents, we are just really overwhelmed. It is because these results here, I want to start appreciating the contributions. I want to appreciate our dear directors, the executive director, Mr. Okot Raymond Akera, the assistant, Madame Lillian Akelo. What these two people in the directorate body are doing, there is a testimony I am here to tell you. I remember when one time Raymond came here and told us and saying, you my teachers, do you know what? My wealth, Loyo Mamega, is not in building, is not in how many cars I have, is not how many acres of land I have bought. My wealth is all in the well-being, in the happiness, in the health of the Ugandans who are in Acholi, the children who are in PAORINHER, the staff, the parents who bring their children to PAORINHER. If they are happy, that is my wealth. My people, if I take this as an example, is a man who doesn't have even a house of 2 rooms. When he comes to Uganda, he would even have the best building to put up. But this is a man who doesn't even have a room. Why? Because he doesn't look at that. He's only looking at the Ugandans growing. Are they really fulfilling their needs? Mr. Raymond Okot, we leave it to God to do his best for you. For us, we say thank you. It is not easy a school like this one to maintain the results. The teachers who are here, including your head teacher, most of them when they are employed, these are people who live better pay, better salary scale in other schools, and they come to PAORINHER and join with the interest to serve their needs. Talk about your head teacher. When I left St. Gracious in Elira, it was Mr. Apok, Mr. Bimen, and Mr. Raymond Okot. Told me only one statement, let's go home. I left 1 million which was given to me from that school, and he came openly telling me, I'm going to give you 600. Do you accept? I said, I'm going home. I have teachers here who left Kampala. I'm just talking on their behalf. In Kampala, teachers are paid highly. But when you come to PAORINHER, we start them low as 300,000 shillings. But look at what the teachers are doing. If you go to government school, I think, I don't know, but I guess not less than 500,000 shillings, which are paid in government school. Look at the results. I'm not judging them. But I'm proud of what I'm talking about in PAORINHER. So teachers, take my appreciation for the work you are doing.
Yeah. I tell you, covering event, man. I don't know why I take it.
Of course, my people,
Live.
I cannot say the success of this school is only on the people I've talked about. I'm here to thank parents.
Okay.
I have a challenge. We have really a big challenge in northern Uganda. It is not because parents here don't want to pay school fees. It is because of the conditions we are going through. We pass through very difficult time. The parents here want quality education, but quality goes with the price. So when they bring their children here, it is a challenge of paying school fees. But I am saying, all the parents who have really supported us heartedly, I pray that when you give, it will be multiplied. May God, that we don't see, but we only believe, gives you more blessing that you are supporting PAORINHER with. I am not forgetting the children. Children in PAORINHER, I am really proud. I just want to apologize. If you reach P7, these are children that wake up to study at 4 a.m. and they go back to sleep at 10:30 p.m. under the pressure that they want to get first grade. They suffer, and sometimes they even go in the class when they are sick in the interest that they don't want to miss. I just want to tell you, these are children who are self-driven. So children, those who have really gone are already, and those who are still here, we are saying continue. May God bless you. I also want to take this opportunity to thank the people that I got this school when they were working very well. And that is, especially the Headteacher I replaced. Teacher Emma, are you around? Teacher Amy, not Emma, Teacher Amy. Teacher Amy, come. This is the teacher, the result I told you in 2015 and 2016. He made PAORINHER very proud. Teacher Amy is my brother. I remember when I joined this school in 2018, Teacher Amy came back to director. The director, I want to come back to PAORINHER. And he was asked, are you sure you want to leave government? So he said, my heart tells me PAORINHER is the only place. And the director told him, can you go back and think twice? If you make up your mind, that means you have already decided. Then come back. He never came back. I think he decided to remain in the government. We are proud. So thank you very much. Yeah. My dear parents, our friends, there are a lot of achievements we have really already gone through in this school. I am not going to repeat about football. What I want to repeat about is the success that our director brought to this school about biogas. Biogas system is already in this school. And if I am not mistaken, it is the only It is the only achievement in northern region. Biogas system, where we cook food without using firewood. It is here. In P7, there is a subtopic which is called biogas. The teacher of P7 for science, after teaching in the class, he comes out, takes the children there, and every stage, every child sees, touches, and almost also feeling. So in the whole country, they only teach theoretically, but in this school, practical. And that makes PAORINHER very proud. My dear parents, we have our demonstration farm. If some of you get the opportunity, we have fish there. Just new lot of figuring. We keep fish here. We teach about fish in the class. We move out of the class. We go and children touch the fish for you. When they talk about fins, they touch and see what the fins are. So that makes this school different. Talk about poultry keeping. It is in P5. In P5, when they teach poultry farming, after class, they go to class. They go to the farm. My dear parents, it's not only the teaching. It is about learning. And that is acquiring skills. Let me tell you, parents, if you go home, please, can you try to bring up these children? Give them some little money. They are able to raise the chicken because of the knowledge they have got from here. Don't fear. You will see that really change is coming home. So I request. They have learned the skills from here. So there are a lot of things. In fact, this is a home, not a school only. It is also a home. Sometimes we take the children out to the farm. The children, they are managing farms for themselves. So this means that when the children come here, it is not only school. They are learning how to earn living. So I'm proud. There are a lot of things that I can talk about, but those are a few. So at this juncture, there is nothing that goes without pain. I also have some pains. I call them challenges in this school. And challenge number one, I told you that we come here and get very little pay. There is one challenge, you people. These teachers, you see them very good. I'm just waiting. When you hear that the government has advertised for the teachers, this school has the head teacher. I go down in my bed and sleep when my heart is just down. Because they are always in the recruitment, swept all from here to the government job. Swept all. And I'm telling you, the government wants our teachers like hot cake. Any teacher from this school who applies for the job in the government will never come back. I thank God last year, God really put us on the safer side. About 5 of them tried it, they were bounced back. And that's why this year the results are like this. I thank those people. That means we are getting little pay. It is because it is only the funds that come from parents. The salary which you people we are paying, you are the one paying us, and it is low. So you will think about it. My second challenge, I am talking about the health of our children as its background states. Some of them are HIV infected. Some of them are affected because of HIV. Some of them do not have parents. But of course, as human beings, we fall sick. Our dear friends from UK, our dear friends from Kenya, if you go to our hospital, if you go to our health center, you will find about almost 5 different lines of about 100 in each line, all demanding